Whoa. Wow. There's something going on over there. Stop. Oh, there's one. Oh.
Oh, excuse me.
There's two going on at the same time.
Slow's right down there, that tree, can't really see it. See it? Oh.
Ooh, that's a cool one. Ooh.
That's nice.
Hello, Sammy.
See if she wants to look outside. Yeah. Nice day. Nice.
What's that?
Wait, stay there.
She's scared me.
There's a lantern. See it? Right over there. See it down there? There's a lantern over there. Look.
Yeah.
Do you look, that's me? Do you look? Come here.
There's a nice red one.
Keep it still and focus on one.
They're very low ones.
They're far away. Some behind here did some big ones before. Banged down. Oh, no. There's two lots there, aren't there? They're best filming them. Now you got two there. Film one. Oh, not that. Film them.
Chill, it's still recording. She's so mad. There's one going sideways. That's a big one. It's like over now.
It's not. Some more in a minute. Oh, you missed my big one. Yeah, look.
Oh gosh.
I thought we could do a selfie in the loft of the three of us,
Huh?
saying that we're watching them out the loft.
You can't get a picture as well, can you? Can you all Sammy at the same time?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh, can I? Take a selfie that in the background. Put in timer.
Oh.
Timer. Press button 1. Timer. Button 1. Timer. 10 seconds. I get it right. Not press back the
I
screen.
thought you'd get your beer.
Right, get a picture now.
1 sec.
Can't really do it, can I?
Not the glass again. No, put your glass down.
That's not the point of it, is it?
Well, I can't hold your glass.
Bye bye.